Hello, Grub Bags.
Hello.
You're back by popular demand.
I am. Well, not by popular demand, but I'm back because I've been on that TikTok again.
No.
Oh, I'm addicted now to TikTok.
TikTok queen.
I'm addicted to TikTok. Yeah, it's taught me now, not taught me, but it's showed me how to make Yorkshire pudding.
Okay.
Alright, so in an air fryer.
In the air fryer?
In the air fryer. It's showed
What, small
me how
ones?
No, they come out like a big one, like that.
No.
And then what you can do is, instead of having the little ones on the side of your plate, you can have the big one and you can fill it with your meat, your veg, and then put the gravy on. So you've got your roast dinner or whatever dinner you want in the Yorkshire pudding. You can eat like sausages,
Nice.
be like toad in the hole, something like that. Okay, so what you need to do is you open your air fryer and you've got your dish in it. This one's like a crinkly dish,
Yep.
but you can use whatever. You oil it, so you make sure you, like, I don't know if you can see, you just make sure you oil all the way round. That is obviously so it doesn't stick. Yeah, and it helps it. I'm a person that don't measure. I've never ever measured things, right? So that's been the story of my life. I don't measure. You just saw me, I've done the oil. Put
Okay.
the oil in. Now I'm going to make me Yorkshire batter mix up. Yeah, as I just said to you, I don't measure anything. So it's, in theory, it's 100 grams of flour.
Nice.
Okay, so I just judge everything. Then we put in 2 eggs. No shell, just the egg.
Oh, there's a bit of shell.
There's a bit of shell, but we won't worry about that. And then you add your milk. And also, when you usually make Yorkshire pudding, the theory is that when you make the batter mix up, you put it in the fridge.
Ah.
You always put it in the fridge. I think when it gets cold, and then you put it in a hot oven, it's like it's like a chemical reaction. Mixing this, you just put your oil on for 3 minutes, so the oil's really warm, because you have to have hot oil when you put your Yorkshires in.
Okay. What did you just say?
Right, that dinger's just gone off. That dinger has just gone off. I've got to check it before I show you it, because, well, if it's a flop, I'm going to hide my face.
Oh, here she is.
Look.
Has it worked?
It has, but
Cool.
because I didn't have the proper dish, so I've not got the hole in the middle, which you would have.
Okay.
So what you can do is you could just cut it round and add the hole. Do you get what I mean?
Oh, is that it's just ballooned up from
yeah,
the
it's
middle?
ballooned up from the middle. That's the bottom of it. Look, I'm going to taste it.
I think that looks quality. That is so much
got a
different. It's got
crunch.
the lines in it because of the mould. But you're saying if you had a normal round one.
Yeah, you could cut that out. On this one, you could cut it out and put it in. But if you had a proper sort of dish, but I never.
Yeah.
I mean, I just had the one. But look at that for a Yorkshire pudding.
That is amazing.
Isn't it? And I think you should try that.
How nice is it?
Yep, it is nice. Very nice. It's quite thick, but it is nice.
Back on TikTok?
Back on TikTok. I'm going back to see if there's anything else I can come up with.